Hi, I'm Crypto AV. Welcome to this new video on Spirit DAO. This Olympus DAO fork has a current APY with more than 22 zeros. Insane numbers, and as always when you see a number this ridiculous, you've got to be careful because it looks like a scam. In this video, I will cover what is Spirit DAO, how to make money on this DAO, should you invest in it, Ghost's decentralized reserve currency. Spirit DAO is a decentralized reserve currency forked from the successful and secure Olympus DAO. Spirit will rely on the bond and stake methodology in order to raise treasury funds and reward early supporters. This ensures that the Spirit retains ownership of the protocol's liquidity to enable consistent, unstoppable growth. At first I thought this fork was on the Phantom network, but it is actually on the Avalanche network. Why Spirit DAO? Spirit DAO is like no other fork, so they say. The Spirit is a DAO, meaning it is a community-owned venture fund. The Spirit invests in the most promising, lucrative, and long-term growth potential DeFi protocols. Decentralized finance has exploded over the last 2 years. However, most profits have been directed to the same individuals and institutional investors. These individuals have the time, capital, and connections to identify and immediately execute on the most lucrative opportunities. Spirit DAO is changing that. We make it reachable to Lambda individuals. That's the roadmap. The Twitter launch to Discord, etc. So everything is launched as of now and no future plans are announced. While we're here, please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get new videos on DeFi every single day. That's the team behind Spirit DAO. They are spooky, right? Ghost, Spirit, and Phantom. I really like the creativity of some of these DAOs. But at the end, the team is anonymous. They could run away with your money without any problems, since we don't know them and there's no one to blame, but most of the DAOs are anonymous, unfortunately. Back up on the website. Let's open the dApp to get started. Over the Ghost button, you could buy the token Ghost, which is the token of the DAO. This will bring you to Trader Joe. Then here you can add the tokens to your wallet. You can also buy the token here. But now let's go to the dashboard. The price of the token Ghost is $1.39. This means that the market cap for the token is around $144,000 since the total supply is around $103,000. The market cap showing here of $616,000 is the treasury balance and the market cap of the token Ghost from what I can see. The total value locked is $400,000. The APY is this crazy number with 22 zeros. And the current index is 10.85 Ghost. The index indicates how much Ghost tokens you would have right now if you staked one Ghost when the project began. The treasury balance is $485,000. But look at the backing. The current price of Ghost is 1.39. And the backing is $1, so the backing is strong for the moment. The runway is only 4 days, so the APY will quickly go down. Let's go back to the stake section. You get this incredible ROI of 92% in 5 days. Input how many Ghosts you want to stake and click Approve to get started. And here you can unstake. The bonds. The bonds. Ghost MIM LP gets you an ROI of 17%. It's not really interesting compared to the other Olympus DAO forks, and MIM minus 29%. You shouldn't touch this one unless you want to lose money. They call this section bond and mint. Interesting. So if you want to bond or mint, whatever, just click on mint. Enter how many tokens you want to buy and click approve. The vesting term is 5 days and you get a 17% ROI. The max tokens you can buy is 4,426 Ghost. It's clearly enough because if you want to invest in these DAOs, you should only invest money that you can lose because a rug or a price crash could ruin you. And here you can redeem your rewards. And there's the calculator, of course, because a DAO is not complete without it. You can input how many tokens you want to invest. In this case, it's the Tomb token, which is pegged to the price of Ghost. It seems like a lot of inspiration came from Tomb Finance. Let's just imagine that I invest $1,667 for 365 days. This is how many Lambos I would get. Do you believe it? If yes, please don't. This calculator is just for entertainment. The APY is not sustainable and you will probably lose money by investing here. I can't even read this number. It's absolutely crazy and not real. Now to the chart of the Ghost token on Dex Screener. The price went all the way up to $41. Now it is at $1. If you invested early, you're screwed right now, unfortunately. But here I personally see an opportunity on these DAOs prices that are crashing. I think the price of these DAOs will go up again in the future, and getting them now is a good move in my point of view, but of course you have to do your own research before investing. And at rug is always a possibility. We don't know who the people behind these DAOs are, so they can just rug and have no consequences. If you got any money to lose, I find this DAO interesting. The price is low. I see this as a good opportunity, but my view on this is that a rug is something that could absolutely happen on this DAO. They are not audited and they are unknown to the public. Those are big red flags for me, so please don't invest money you can't lose on here. That's the Twitter of Spirit DAO. If you want to join and get the latest news on this DAO, this is the place to be, and you can also join their Discord. They announced that they will put up a billboard in Times Squares, which is insane. Life DAO made the same thing a few weeks ago. Please like, share, and subscribe to get daily videos on new DeFi projects. Thank you all so much for your support. You can also follow me on Twitter. I am very active on there. Comment below what you think about this DAO. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.